Good morning. Good evening, teachers, and welcome to Sir TLE Let Review. Okay, shout out sa ating 20 viewers. Welcome to Sir TLE Let Review. Okay, so meron pala tayong promo. So for only 150 pesos, so 150 pesos ninyo, meron na kayong 5 months intensive review sa general education, professional education, and sa majorship the TLE and the TVTE. Okay? Excuse me. Meron din tayong monthly Macboard exam. So, only takes sa ating monthly Macboard exam through Google Forms. Exclusive group chats and Facebook group page. So, sa Facebook group page, doon natin ina-upload ang ating mga recorded lectures. Okay? And lastly, ang lahat ng ating live lectures ay recorded. So only replay, no? So pwede niyo lang makinig during nagra-rides kayo or kahit nasan kayo, okay? Okay. So hello Sir Mark. Thank you. Okay, sumagot na letter A. Grabe, ang bilis. Okay, let's start. Number 1, during a lesson, Teacher Mia asked learners to conduct an experiment and discover scientific principles on their own. Which philosophy is best illustrated? A. Progressivism, B. Essentialism, C. Perennialism, or letter D. Idealism. What is your answer for number 1? Okay, may sumagot na letter A. Okay, Sir Mark, bakit letter A? Grabe, ang bilis, Sir Mark. Top notcher ito for the September 2026. Okay. Essentialism. When we say essentialism, ito yung na-focus sa mga basics. The mastery of the basics, mga essential. From the word essential. Nandito yung 3 R's. The reading, writing, and arithmetic. Okay? So, this is not the answer. Okay, remember when taking the board exam, don't forget to underline or encircle the clue words. Okay, so sulatan niyo yung mga test questionnaires niyo. Okay? So, meron daw experiment si Teacher Mia. And she wants to discover scientific principles. She wants to make her students to discover scientific principles on their own. Merong word na on their own. Okay? So, essentialism is wrong. Essentialism focuses on mga essentials, mga basics, the 3 R's, yan lang yung mga clue word. When we say 3 R's, the reading, writing, and arithmetic. Okay? Si perennialism naman, when we say perennialism, focuses on unchanging truths and great books. Ito yung clue word natin, the great books. So, sa perennialism, emphasizes lecture and seminar styles rather than hands-on experimentation. So, this is not the answer. Okay? Si idealism naman focuses on mind and ideas. Sorry. Ideas. Okay, so this is not the answer. The correct answer is letter A. Progressivism. Okay, so very good, correct lahat Okay, ang tatandaan mo lang is itong sa progressivism, ang bata ay merong when you say perennialism, ito yung learning by doing. Progressivism, ito yung learning by doing ni John Dewey. Okay? So, the student is independent. Learning by doing. Okay? So, ito lang tatandaan ninyo. Ito yung clue word. Own. Teacher Mia wants her students to discover scientific principles on their own. So, since my independent learning, student-centered, so, ang sagot natin is letter A, progressivism. Okay? Very good. Very good, Sir Mark. Number 2, a learner with hearing impairment is included in a regular classroom. What should the teacher do first to support inclusive education? A. Transfer the learner to another school. B. Ignore the learner's condition. C. Lower all classroom standards. Or letter D. Provide appropriate classroom accommodations. Okay? When we say inclusive, where's that? When we say inclusive education, meaning wala kang pinapaboran ng mga estudyante. So, ikaw teacher, meaning lahat ng estudyante mo, pantay-pantay yung trato mo sa estudyante mo. Okay? Despite their physical and mental mga problems, no? Despite sa mga ganyan, pantay-pantay yung trato mo sa kanila. Okay? Mapa-slow learner man yan, mapa-disabled learner man yan, or mapa-fast learner, meaning equal treatment. Okay? Yan yung inclusive education. Okay? And take note to those teachers na magti-take this September, if magsasagot na kayo ng professional education, always choose the answer kung ano yung ideal na teacher. Take note ideal na teacher, mabait si teacher, dapat student-centered. Yan yung dapat i-focus niyo when answering the professional education. Yan yung technique when answering the professional education. Okay? Especially, last March, madami daw mga, situational daw yung mga questions. So, ang isasagot natin doon is kung ano yung ideal na teacher. When we say ideal na teacher, hindi na-relate. Anong tawag doon? Always naka-follow sa mga rules and guidelines. No? And then, dapat meron din tayong mga 21st century skills. And also the inclusive education. When we say inclusive education, pantay yung trato mo sa iyong estudyante. Okay, marami sumagot na letter D. Okay, very good. Naku, grabe. Galing. Transfer the learner to another school. Hindi. Hindi ito na-promote ng inclusive education. Meaning, pinapalayas mo yung estudyante mo. Ignore. This is very wrong. Hindi ito yung sagot. Ignore the learner's condition. As a teacher, ikaw yung maghanap ng way para matuto yung estudyante mo. Okay? If slow learner, hindi siya makahabol sa facing ninyo, then ikaw teacher, magdi-develop ka ng mga learning activities na suit for that student. Okay? Lower all classroom standards. Nako, hindi pwede. Dapat above the standards tayo, teachers. Okay? So the answer is letter D. Provide appropriate classroom accommodations. Okay? So the first step in inclusion is removing the barriers. Like seating the student in front. Example, nakasanayan natin yung mga fast learners or yung mga top 1 lang yung umuupo sa front, no? So, ikaw teacher, hindi na yun, no? Huwag na natin gawin yun. Mas maganda, pinakauso ngayon is yung alphabetical order na seating arrangement. Okay? Okay. Or, pwede rin yung pinakamaliit na estudyante is yun yung nasa front para makita nyo yung mga, malinaw nyo makita yung mga lectures. Yes, very good. Chair Jo Marie. Yes, ideal teacher kasi. So, marami sumagot ng letter D. Ideal teacher, Ideal teacher. Okay, the answer for number 2 is letter D. Number 3. Teacher Ben notices that learners from indigenous communities hesitate to participate in class discussions. What is the best action? A. Force them to speak immediately. B. Ignore their behavior. C. Remove them from group activities. Or letter D, create culturally responsive activities. Okay, grabe, ang bilis ni Teacher Edshel. So, si Teacher Ben daw, meron daw siya na-notice na student from IP communities or the indigenous people na hindi raw nagpa-participate sa class discussion. Baka kasi nahihiya si student, no? So, ano yung best action na gagawin ng isang teacher? Is it force them to speak immediately? Naku, hindi pwede. Nahihiya nga yung bata eh. Dapat pa hinay-hinay lang. Hindi tayo para lang sa love, no? Parang love. Hindi tayo nagfo-force na para i-love tayo, no? So, hindi. Letter B, ignore their behavior. Naku, hindi pwede. Sometimes, meron ako nabasang quote na maraming opportunities na nasayang dahil sa mahiyain kasing tao, no? Maraming opportunities ang nasasayang sa mahiyaing tao. Okay, no? So, kailangan, ikaw teacher, hindi mo yan i-ignore. Possible yan kasi, example, hindi siya IP, membro ng IP, no? Pero mahihain siya. Meaning, possible niyan is meron siyang problema sa family or binubuli siya ng classmates niya, no? So, kailangan, hindi natin i-ignore yung mga behavior ng ating estudyante. Okay, very good. Dami sumagot na letter D. Napakagaling. Top-notcher na kaya teacher. Remove them from group activities. Naku, hindi rin pwede. Sa group activities, ang pinopromote ng group activities is the collaboration. Napaka-importante ng collaboration. Kasi nade-develop nila yung nade-develop ng collaboration? Ang nade-develop ng collaboration is the communication. Okay? So, the answer is letter D. Create culturally responsive activities. Okay? Create culturally responsive activities. The answer for number 3 is letter D. Letter D. Okay, by the way, what if tatanungin kayo ng board exam, ikaw teacher, inassign sa syempre, beginning teacher, di ba? Wait lang. Inclusive dapat sa loob ng school at classroom, sir. No. Sir? Dapat, when we say inclusive education, pantay-pantay yung trato natin, no? Sa ating estudyante. No, hindi example, mayroong disabled siya na person. So, hindi porket na disabled siya na person or membro siya ng PWD, hindi na siya pwedeng sumali sa mga normal na mga estudyante, no? Ganyan po yung inclusive education. Okay? Okay. Nakalimutan ko yung sinabi kanina. Okay, if tatanungin kayo ng board exam, if ikaw teacher, beginning teacher, inassign ka sa malayong lugar, mga hinterlands, no? Ikaw teacher, ano yung una mong gagawin? Ikaw teacher, ano yung una mong gagawin? If inassign ka sa malayong lugar, and then sa lugar na yun is mga IP. So, ano yung unang gagawin mo? Ang una mong gagawin is understand their culture. Take note ito, understand their culture. Okay? When you understand their culture, meaning, nagiging part ka sa community. Okay? And then, ikaw teacher, makaka-develop ka ng activities na appropriate para sa mga IP students mo. Okay? So, take note niyan, teachers. Number 4, a teacher wants learners to develop moral values and self-discipline. Which classroom practice is most appropriate? A. Memorization without reflection. B. Modeling good behavior consistently. C. Giving... No worries, Chair Edshell. No worries. Letter C, giving unlimited freedom. Or letter D, allowing destructive behavior. What is your answer for number 4? Si teacher daw, gusto niya yung mga estudyante niya is mag-develop ng mga moral values and self-discipline. So, aling classroom practice is napaka-appropriate na gawin ni teacher? Okay, very good. Dami sumagot ng letter B. Naku, I'm sure Chair Edshell magtatap ka sa September. I'm sure. Chair Edshell. Ganyan din si Sir Michael. Falamig, no? Bago pa lang tayo sa pag-online review. Lahat ng questions is nasasagutan niya. And sure ko na papasa si Sir Michael. And then, it turns out na high rater Sir Michael. Nako. Yes. Tiwala lang, Sir Edshel, okay? So, memorization without reflection. This is wrong. Take note, values are caught, not taught. Okay? So, rote memorization does not lead to internal character change. So, ito yung pinaka-low sa learning. Okay? Unlimited freedom. Giving unlimited freedom. Hindi rin pwede. Sa pagbigay mo ng unlimited freedom, pwede yung mag-cause ng chaos and fails to provide the structure needed for self-discipline. Okay? So, hindi pwede. Allowing disruptive behavior, hindi rin pwede. So, nag-contradict sa moral values, no? So, the answer is letter B. Modeling good behavior consistently. So, ating philosophy yan? So, idealism and social learning theory. So, the students emulate the teacher who acts as the moral authority. Okay? So, we teachers are the role model of the younger minds. Okay? So, the answer for number 4 is letter B. Number 5, during group work, one learner with physical disability is excluded by classmates. What should the teacher do? Nandito. A. Allow the classmates to continue. B. Assign the learner separate work. C. Encourage cooperative participation and respect. Or letter D. Remove the learner from the activity. So, ikaw teacher, ano yung gagawin mo dito sa ganitong sitwasyon? So, during the group work daw, hindi raw pinapasali yung merong physical disability. Okay, meron sumagot. Okay, madami sumagot. Nako, very good. Very good. So, letter A. Allow the classmates to continue. Hindi pwede. Inclusive education, ha? Remember, inclusive education. Dapat pantay-pantay ang trato mo as a teacher. Dapat pantay-pantay yung trato mo sa iyong estudyante. So, assign the learner to separate work. No, hindi pwede. Magkukos yan. Baka yung students mo is magiging racist. No? Letter C, encourage. Okay. Letter D, remove the learner from activity. Akuy, napaka-racist mo naman, teacher. Ang sagot natin dito is letter C. Encourage, cooperative, participation, and respect. Okay, so the answer for number 5 is letter C. So, ano nga yung nade-develop ng collaborative sa mga estudyante? Ano nga yan? The communication. Okay, take note. Number 6, a teacher allows learners to choose project topics based on their interests and experiences. Which philosophy is reflected? Learners to choose projects on their interests and experiences. A. Essentialism. B. Existentialism. C. Perennialism. Or letter D. Behaviorism. What is your answer? So, si progressivism kanina is learning by doing. So, according to John Dewey, nalalearn ang bata through doing. Okay, meron sumagot na. Okay, very good. Ako, Sir Edshel, correct na naman. Tama na, Sir Edshel. Okay, may sumagot na letter C. Si teacher, inallow daw yung mga estudyante niya na to choose projects based sa kanilang interests and experiences. Essentialism is wrong. This is 3 R's. Minamaster ang mga basics. 3 R's, reading, writing, arithmetic. Perennialism, ito yung great books. Ito yung mga clue word natin. Si behaviorism naman is response. Ito yung stimulus, response, and conditioning. Na kapag may reward ang bata, is mas ganado siyang matuto. The answer is existentialism. Okay? So, existentialism centered on individual choice. Merong choice si learner. Choice and personal responsibility. Okay? Naku, napagagaling ni Sir Edshel. May keyword daw is choose, will, freedom. Naku, so top-notcher ka, Sir Edshel. Wag mo kong kalimutan, ha. Okay, the answer for number 6 is letter B. Number 7, Teacher Carla connects classroom lessons to current. Okay lang. Okay, teachers. During review, wag matakot na magkamali. Okay? Comment lang kayo ng comment kung ano yung sagot ninyo. Huwag matakot na magkamali, okay? Kasi, I'll tell you this, na mas maganda i-build, during your review, mas maganda na i-build niyo yung confidence to answer. Okay? Dapat yung confidence to answer the questions in the board exam. Kasi, if confident kayo, mas nagfo-focus kayo sa mas nawawala niyo yung kaba. Hello, Chair Nicole Ann. Okay? Dapat mabuild niyo yung confidence. Okay? Para mawala yung mga kaba ninyo, teachers. Kasi pag pinangunahan tayo ng ating takot, mawawala tayo sa focus. So, mawawala yung makakalimutan natin yung mga natutunan natin during the review. Okay? So, number 7. Okay ba tayo, Chair RR? Okay? So, wag matakot na magkamali sa review. Mas maganda na magkamali sa review kaysa sa exam. Okay? Number 7. Teacher Carla connects classroom lessons to current social problems such as poverty and environmental issues. So, which philosophy is demonstrated? A. Reconstructionism. B. Idealism. C. Realism. Or letter D. Essentialism. So, may sumagot na letter C, D, A. Si Teacher Carla, kinonect yung classroom lessons sa current social problems such as poverty. Mayroon social problems, ha? Ito yung keyword natin. Social problems. Social problems such as poverty and environmental issues. So, aling philosophy ang demonstrate ni Teacher Carla? Idealism is wrong. Idealism is concerned sa spiritual and intellect values. No? Yan yung ating keyword. Realism naman is wrong. So, ang realism focuses on objective facts and physical world. Physical world, real. Nahawakan. Okay? So, pasensya na sa aking penmanship. Wala pa tayong stylus, no? So, finger mo na yung aking ginagamit. Kamay mo na aking ginagamit, no? Hindi pa kasi paldo sa Sir TLE. Okay? So, letter D, essentialism, hindi nito. Focuses on basics, 3 R's. Okay? So, the answer is Reconstructionism. Sa Reconstructionism, kinoconnect yung kinoconnect yung mga lessons sa social problems. Okay? So, the answer for number 7 is letter A. Very good. Uy, very good, Sir Hermin. Focuses on using education. Basta, para mas madaling ma-remember natin, no? Sa Reconstructionism, kinoconnect yung classroom sa social problems, sa society. Okay? So, in Reconstructionism, education is seen as a tool to address social ills and reconstruct a better world. Okay? So, number 8. A teacher uses rewards and praise whenever learners participate actively in class. Which theory is applied? A. Behaviorism. Oy, may rewards ha, and praise. B, humanism. C, constructivism. D, or letter D, existentialism. What is your answer? Automatic wrong si letter D. Na-discuss natin to. May freedom, may will si estudyante. Meron siyang choice. Yan, yung clue word. Meron choice. So, ano yung sagot niyo sa letter number 7? Number 8. Sorry, number 7. Ako, napakagaling ni Chair Hermin. Top-notcher to si Chair Hermin. Pati rin si Chair Edshell. Ako, napakagaling. Enroll na kayo. Char lang. Okay, marami sumagot na letter A. At dahil sumagot kayo ng letter A, mananalo kayo ng house and lot and a brand new car. Congratulations. Char lang. Okay, tama yung sagutin nyo, no? So, si letter A. Sagot dito is letter A. But first, let's discuss the letter B and C. Si humanism focuses on self-actualization. Self-actualization. Okay? Si constructivism, si letter B is wrong. Okay? Si constructivism naman is focuses on internal mental processes and how students build meaning, not on external rewards. So, automatic wrong. Ang ating remember lang, pag tayo sasagot ng behaviorism, is ito yung clue word. Rewards and praise. Okay? Very good. Top-notchers. Very good, top-notchers. So, ang behaviorism gumagamit ng operant conditioning. Kanino itong operant conditioning? Take note ha, hindi lang mga conditioning, sorry. Hindi lang mga situational questions ang tinatanong sa proof ed. So, kanino yung operant conditioning? Kay BF Skinner. Okay? Take note. Katanungan kayo ng board exam. So, sa operant conditioning, where positive reinforcement increases the behavior. Yes, very good. Chair Edshell. Okay, very good, very good. Chair Freeland. Very good. Number 9, a learner struggles in reading. So, the teacher provides simpler materials and additional guidance. Which principle is applied? A, inclusive education. B, standardization. C, competition. Or letter D, teacher-centered. Principle daw. Struggles reading. So, si student, nahihirapan bumasa, no? So, si teacher, nag-provide ng simpler materials and additional guidance. So, aling principle yan? Yes, very good. Yes, si BF Skinner. Okay, number 9. So, aling principle yan? Si standardization is wrong. Okay, very good. Tama na naman. Top-notcher. Tama, top-notchers. Char lang. Manifest, okay? Okay, live pa ba? Okay. Standardization is wrong because opposite. Okay, opposite si standardization eh. So, sa standardization, nire-require ang lahat na to use the same material regardless of the ability. Dito is, nagbigay si teacher ng ibang material which is yung pinakasimple. And nagbigay din siya ng guidance in order to assist her student. Competition, walang competition. When we say competition is kapag sa competition, if nag-struggle yung bata, meron siyang penalty. Okay? So, competition is wrong. So, ano yung sagutin nyo? A or letter D? May sumagot na letter D. The answer is letter A, inclusive education, syempre. Hindi siya teacher-centered, ha? Although, the teacher provides the material, pero ang tanong is, nakafocus sa, sa learner's specific needs. Meron kasing needs na provide si teacher. Okay? So, hindi siya teacher-centered. Okay? The answer is inclusive education. Okay? So, inclusive education, it uses differentiation to ensure a struggling student can still achieve the learning competencies. Okay? So, the answer for number 9 is letter A. Okay, very good. Very good, top touchers. Napakagaling. Chair Roy, Chair Melody, Chair Jomari, Chair Janine. Yes, very good. Chair RR, di ba? Nakakatama ka na rin, Chair RR. Okay? Sa base sa sinabi ko, i-build niyo yung confidence to answer any questions in the board exam. Okay, number 10. During class discussion, the teacher encourages learners to question ideas and express opinions respectfully. Which teaching approach is illustrated? A. Democratic teaching. B. Authoritarian teaching. C. Passive instruction. Or letter D. Traditional lecturing. During class discussion, encourages learners to question ideas, express opinions. So, what's the answer for number... Oh, naku. Chair Edshel, ikaw na. Chair Hermin, ikaw na rin. Kayo na talaga. Mga top notchers. Feeling ko si Chair Edshel nasa top 5. Kaya niya i-top mo. Ikaw din, Chair Melvida. Napaka-top na. Napakagaling ninyo yung mga top notchers. Bakit democratic teaching? Tanungin ko kayo. Bakit democratic teaching? Kayo naman ang mag-rationalize. Bakit democratic teaching yung sagot ninyo? Final. Okay, very good, Chair RR. Bakit democratic teaching? Sagutin nyo. Sir, pahirap po ng pahirap, Yes, syempre naman. Hindi na, mas maganda yung mahirap kasi mas napapractice ninyo yung yung exam, yung mga questions. Sir Miguelito, kasi binigyan ng freedom yung bata na makag-share ng ideas. Very good. Very good, Chair Miguelito. Very good din, Chair Melody. Have the right to express their own opinion. Very good. Okay? Democracy. From the word democracy. So, sa authoritarian, hindi ko na mabigkas ng tama. Sorry. Nabubula na ako. Okay, sa authoritarian, si teacher holds all the power. So, walang right si student. Puro kay teacher lang. Sa letter B is wrong. Sa passive instruction naman is the students will simply receive information. So, dito is ang mga students are active listeners. So, walang participation. Although meron participation, but listening lang. Traditional lecturing, hindi na natin promote yung traditional lecturing. Hindi na tayo nag-spoon-fed ng mga estudyante. Si teacher ngayon is facilitator. Okay? Ang learning is student-centered. Okay? Dapat yan. But, nasa Philippines tayo, okay? Dapat always remember the inclusive education. But, don't forget dapat ikaw teacher, nagpropromote ka ng mga independent learning. Dapat matututo yung bata na ma-learn ng kanyang diskarte. Okay? Discard. Sorry. Okay, the answer for number 10 is letter A. Tama kayo, mga top notchers. 11. Teacher Joy notices that learners understand lessons better when working with peers. Which theory supports this observation? A. Social constructivism. B. Behaviorism. C. Essentialism. Or letter D. Idealism. So, ano yung sagot ninyo sa number 11? So, ang estudyante daw ni Teacher Joy is understand the lessons better if meron daw kasamang mga classmates. Meron collaboration. What is your answer for number 11 sa ating 37 viewers? What is your answer? Naku, napakagaling talaga, Sir Edshel. Akala ko ba pahirap ng pahirap? Napakagaling. Okay. Okay, dami sumagot na letter A. Ng letter A. Behaviorism is wrong. When we say behaviorism, kapag nagbibigay ng reward sa teacher is nag-i-increase yung behavior ng isang bata. Positive behavior ng isang bata. Essentialism is wrong. Focuses on the basics, the 3 R's. Idealism is also wrong. Sa idealism, views learning as the realization of the innate ideas. So the answer is letter A, social constructivism. So according to, kanino yung ZPD? Okay, the answer is for number 11 is letter A. Kanino yung ZPD? Ano yung meaning ng ZPD? Baka tanungin kayo ng board exam. Ano yung meaning ng ZPD? Hello, Sir RR. Yes, hello sa taga Zamboanga del Norte. Napakasikat na ni Sir. Char lang. Thank you, Sir RR, no, for participating our lecture. Continue mo lang yan, Sir. Seryosohin nyo lang yung online review natin. I'm sure napapasa kayo sa exam. Okay? Yan lang. So, ano yung meaning ng ZPD? Oh, yes, very good. Zone of Proximal Development. So, sino yung proponent? Yes, very good, Sir Nika. Proponent ng ZPD is si Leigh Vygotsky. Okay? Leigh Vygotsky. So, sa social constructivism, based on Vygotsky, or the Vygotsky's ZPD, ang student daw, learn more through social interaction. Okay? So, yan si social constructivism. Okay? The answer for number 11 is letter A. Number 12. A teacher insists that learners memorize facts and follow strict classroom discipline at all times. Okay? Strict classroom discipline at all times. Which philosophy is reflected? Aha! Napaka-easy nito. A. Progressivism. B. Existentialism. C. Essentialism. Or letter D. Reconstructionism. What is your answer for number 12? What is your answer for number 12? Dito, strict classroom discipline at all times. Keyword natin dito is the strict classroom discipline. Naku, napakagaling. Chair Miguelito. Chair Hermin, napakagaling. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit essentialism yung sagot ninyo? Very good. Very good, Chair RR. Very good. So, progressivism, learning by doing. So, meron bang learning by doing dyan sa ating question? Wala. Oy, sorry. Sorry na wala. Wala. Sorry. Progressivism is wrong. Existentialism, ito yung freedom. May will yung bata. May choice yung bata. So, this is wrong. Reconstructionism is wrong. So, ang Reconstructionism focuses on social change. So, this is wrong. Ito yung keyword natin, strict classroom discipline. The answer is letter A, essentialism. Sir, bakit essentialism? Wala namang 3 R's. Wala namang basic. yung mga sinabi ko yun is the mga clue words. Okay? But sa essentialism, ang isang essentialist na tao is naniniwala sa mga strong core curriculum and a teacher-led disciplined environment. Okay? So, that is why the answer for this question is essentialism. Yes, very good. Okay, basic man. Okay, very good, Sir Ferlin. Okay? The answer for number 12 is letter C, essentialism. Number 13, a learner with autism performs better using visual schedules and routines. What should the teacher do? A. Remove all routines. B. Ignore the learner's preference. C. Continue using structured visual supports. Or letter D. Compare the learners with others. What is your answer for number 13? Hello, Sir Ramos. Usually, nagla-live ako between 5 or 6. Either before dinner or after dinner. So, nasa 5 or 6. 6:30, ganyan. Okay, but ang ating live lectures is ina-upload ko sa exclusive group, Facebook group page para lang sa ating mga enrollees. Okay? If you wish to enroll sa Sir TLE Letter View, just message this page. Okay? So, may promo tayo ngayon for only 150 pesos. Meron ka ng 5-month intensive review sa general education, professional education, and sa ating majorship na TLE and the TVTE. Okay? So, sa 150 din, sa 150 mo yan, sa 150 na yan is meron ding GC and the group page. Sa ating GC is only drills. Nagpapadrills ako sa ating group chats. Dami sumagot na letter C. Napaka-easy nating questions. Performs better using visual schedules and routines. Hindi dapat performs better nga eh. Tapos i-remove natin. No? Hindi pwede. Ignore the learner's preference. Hindi rin pwede. Compare the learner with others. This is wrong. Okay? Baka maano yung student ninyo, tawag doon? Baka ma-insecure. Okay, the answer is letter C. Continue natin ang paggamit ng mga visual supports. Okay, the answer for number 13 is letter C. Diba? Napaka-easy lang ng proof ed. Very good mga top chatchers. Correct kayong lahat. And I declare na top-notcher lahat ng nagpa-participate sa ating live. Diba, mga chairs? Number 14, Teacher Leo asks learners to solve real-life community problems through projects. Which philosophy is best applied? A. Perennialism. B. Reconstructionism. C. Essentialism. Or letter D. Realism. What is your answer for number 14? May sumagot na letter C. Yes, you're welcome, Sir Ramos. No worries, Sir Ramos. Okay, maraming sumagot ng letter C, reconstructionism. Essentialism, sorry. Okay, may sumagot din ng letter B. Okay, naku, napaka very good, Sir Miguelito. Number 13 pala yung letter C. Sorry, teachers. Okay, lagyan niyo naman ng number. Akala ko sagot niyo dito is letter C. Essentialism is wrong. 3 R's, basic, strict sa curriculum, no? So wrong, automatic wrong. Dito is solving real life community problems through projects. So ano yung philosophy na promote ni Teacher Leo? Sa perennialism, the students will ask to read about the problem in classic texts rather than solve them in the community. So, dito yung pumapasok yung great books. So, wrong. Realism is also wrong. The answer is letter B, Reconstructionism. So, Reconstructionism, ina-encourage yung mga students to take the lead in social agency and community improvement. Okay? So, the answer is letter B. Number 14. Letter B po, Chair. Okay? Remind ko po everyone na if magkamali kayo ng sagot, huwag kayong matakot, no? Naguguluhan ka. Naguluhan ko. Bakit, Sir Melvida? Bakit nalilito ka, Sir? Sir Melvida, bakit nalilito ka, Sir? Ito yung clue word natin, Sir. Real life community problems through projects. Solving real life community problems. Kaya, Reconstructionism yung ating sagot, Sir. Tumpak. Okay. Very good. Okay na, Sir Melvida? At karo na ba? Okay, 15. A teacher notices that some learners cannot afford school materials. What is the most appropriate action? A. Ignore the situation. Nako, ignore. B. Provide alternative and accessible learning resources. C. Embarrass the learners publicly. Or letter D. Remove them from activities. Nako. Okay, when answering the professional education, isang technique when answering the professional education. If sa choices na yon, no, merong 4. So, if sa choices na yon, 3 choices is puro negative, automatic eradicate. Wag mo nang piliin yun. Choose the positive one. Okay? So, ignore. Hindi pwede. Di porket na walang pera, no, ang ating estudyante, hindi pwedeng i-ignore yung sitwasyon. So, automatic A is wrong. Especially ako, no, okay, later lang. Embarrass the learners publicly. Naku, hindi pwede. Nagpro-promote tayo ng confidence as a teacher. Pero ikaw, mahilig kang magpahiya ng estudyante. Hindi pwede. No? Remove them from activities. Hindi rin pwede. So, ano yung malalearn nila if mari-remove sila sa activity? No? Hindi pwede. So, the answer is letter B. Ikaw, teacher, mag-provide ka ng alternative and make sure na accessible yung mga resources. Example, sa laboratory, TLE laboratory. So, merong performance task. Yes, very good, Sir Hermin. Cancel all the negative choices. Very good. Okay? Okay, example. Sa TLE laboratory, nagluluto kayo ng, let's say, appetizer. So, ikaw teacher, nag-research ka ng appetizer. Then, lumabas dun is yung mga luxurious na mga appetizer. Mga caviar. Yung mga dish is merong ingredients sa caviar. Do you think na ma-afford kaya yan ng mga estudyante? No. Okay? So, ikaw teacher, look for another alternatives. Sir Genaiza, how to enroll? Just PM the page. Okay? Just PM the page. 150 pesos lang, sir. Sulit na, sir. 150 pesos. Okay? Okay, continue. So, ikaw teacher, maghahanap ka ng alternatives. So, excuse me, wait lang. Sorry. Tumawag. Okay. So, ikaw, teacher, no? Wag kang, sorry. Ikaw, teacher, is, especially to those teacher na ma-assign sa mga hinterlands, no? Napakahirap ng buhay sa mga area na yun, no? So, gusto mo bang bumili ng caviar yung students mo? Wag na. Okay? Ang focus natin dito is matuto yung bata. Mag-learn yung bata. Okay? So, provide alternatives na lang. And make sure na yung mga resources ninyo is accessible sa area. Example, sa mga malalayong lugar. No, kailangan pa bang bababa? Okay? Wala po, Chair Ramos. But we offer proof ed and general education po. Okay, so sa ating majorship lang, Chair, is sa TLE and TVTE lang po, sir. But, okay. Pero, if papaldo na tayo, Chair, is mag-hire ako ng isang Filipino. Okay? Okay. No? So, yun. Since nandito tayo sa Philippines, just look for mga Filipino food na lang, no? Ikaw, TLE teacher, look for a Filipino food na lang na accessible sa public market na mga ingredients, no? Okay? So, the answer for number 15 is letter B. Okay, so that ends with our session for today. I hope you've learned a lot. Thank you, teachers, mga top-notchers. Thank you for participating. Napakasulit dito, teachers. I hope na meron kayo natutunan sa ating lecture ngayon. And so to those who want to enroll sa TLE Letter Review, just PM the page. Okay? 150 pesos na lang, mga teachers. Okay? See you later. Later is magdi-discuss ako ng mga sa majorship TLE and TVT. Okay? Goodbye everyone. And thank you.